Welcome to my channel. New Craft Day sent me these DIY diamond craft keychains. There's a set of 5 of them, and I have never done any diamond crafting or diamond painting. I have not watched any videos, so I am going to do this for the first time and show you how easy or difficult it is. And here's all the different ones they sent me. I'm only going to do one in this video. Here are, you saw the keychains. Here are the little diamonds or the rhinestones. Here are the keychains. So they come with little chains and then the little hooks at the end. And then there's a couple of bigger rhinestones. There's a little tray and the pin and extra Ziploc bags. So this is the one I'm going to do for this video. Like I said, I've never done this before. I'm unwrapping everything. I don't know what it comes with, what it entails, or anything. And I think that's like some kind of wax or something, but you push the pin in it, and that's how you pick up the little rhinestones. And then it came with extra Ziploc bags for putting your extras in. And then of course the little tray has an end on it so you can dump them into the Ziploc bags. And that just has a clear protective coating over it, and the keychain is sticky. So the little diamonds will just stick. You don't have to place any glue or anything, which I loved. And these are numbered. If you couldn't see it, each one of these packages are numbered. And then the keychains have numbers on them so you know which color to go with. So this is the black, and it's number 1. And I'm going to show it to you. See it on the end. So of course you pick it up from the top side because you want the back side to glue down. And then you can see that. And then you just start pushing them into the little holes where the space is provided. And I kept touching it and getting it stuck to me. You have to hold it from the edges. So it was very, very simple. There's no instructions or anything, but I had no issues figuring out what each piece was, what needed to go where, how to do it, or anything. It was very simple, very easy to do. So it, you know, a lot of people find that these diamond crafts and diamond painting is very relaxing, and like I said, I'd never done it before, and it is pretty relaxing. I couldn't sit and do it for hours, you know, because that would hurt my back and stuff like that. It'd get really stiff, but just to sit down and do some crafting and not really think about what you're doing, this is awesome for that. And I think just about any age could do this, especially these keychains. Because like I said, you don't have to add any glue or anything. They're sticky, so, and they stick on there really, really well. I have checked it since then, since it's really stuck, and they don't move or anything. I thought you might want to add some glaze to it to keep them in place, but I don't know, they're stuck on there really, really well. So I'm not gonna show you me attaching each individual diamond because that would be a very, very long video, so I'm just gonna keep showing you the progress. I'll show you attaching some, and then after I get so many on there, I'll show you what it looks like. Now they don't send enough Ziploc bags for all the little pieces. I think they sent like 7, something like that. So not all of them would go back in there, but I had some little Ziploc bags, crafting bags, so I was able to store the rest of them. And I went back and added numbers on those Ziploc bags so I wouldn't get confused on what color was what, but it's pretty self-explanatory. The black's going to go on the black, the red's going to go on the red, the cream is going to go on the cream, the white's going to go on the white. It's not hard to figure out which color goes on what, even if you can't see the numbers. I say cream, like flesh colored, I don't know, you know, whatever you want to call that. There, I'm adding the number so just in case, and have them numbered again so I don't get confused later on. Like I said, I still have 4 more that I can make. And added the number 2 on that one. And I'm just working my way through the numbers. Now, not all of those go on this keychain because each keychain doesn't have the exact same colors. Like there's one that has some navy in it, and I haven't done that one yet. And let's see, I think there was a couple of other colors that I didn't use. I think there was a yellow, and I haven't used the yellow yet. Now I'm doing the white. And I have sped this up a little bit, so this is not real time, but you can get the gist of it. And you can see I accidentally got one over to the side and didn't see it. There's the white. Speed that up. But it's very, very easy to do. It's not complicated at all. Pretty fun and easy, and I think it's a really cute keychain. And they had so many different designs, so many cute different ones. There's the red bow on the top. It's done. I still have the red on the shirt. I did not time myself. I didn't even think about it, but definitely no more than an hour to get this done, if that long. Now you do have to keep adding the wax or whatever that is, that red stuff, to the pen. It does wear down, and you'll notice it. You'll know because it won't pick up any more rhinestones. You just push it into that red and then go from there. It works great. And then this one took one of the big red pretty rhinestones. If I can get it open. I didn't realize I showed that, but you know what? It happens. Sometimes you just can't get into things. Right there in the center, that big pretty red one. And there it is, all finished. I said it wasn't difficult at all to do. Oh, no. There's pink on the tongue. I forgot about that. I think it only took 2. There it is. Now she's finished. And I think they're really, really cute. And they're fun little craft for anyone to do, kids or adults. And like I said, it's easy to do. And you just slip the chain through there and put the little clip on there too, and then lock it in place. And you can use this as a keychain. You could clip it on a backpack. You could clip it onto anything, your purse if you wanted to, whatever. Overnight bag, whatever you wanted to put it on. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, like, share, comment. Please be kind with your comments. Happy crafting, and be kind to yourself and be kind to others.